In this video we will talk about stop snoring, 5 methods how to stop snoring tonight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Snoring is a big problem and can be an even bigger problem if not treated quickly. Sleepless nights, irritability, a change in personality and exhaustion are just a few of the reasons that you probably want to stop snoring tonight. There are several home snoring remedies that may just help you to overcome your snoring problem immediately. Stop snoring tip number 1. Sleep on your side instead of your back. Individuals who sleep on their back are more likely to snore than those who do not. Stop snoring tip number 2. Try adding a few additional inches of elevation by sleeping on 2 pillows instead of 1. The additional height may help to keep airway passages open, which may prevent snoring. Stop snoring tip number 3. If you have allergies, a sinus infection, cold, flu or just congestion, try inhaling steam from hot running water. The heat will open up your nasal passages and may help you to breathe easier during the night, which will often help prevent snoring. Stop snoring tip number 4. Place air filtration units in every room of your home, including the bedroom. These devices will help to rid your home of household allergens, including dust, cigarette smoke, pet hair and other airborne properties. Cleaner air may result in improved breathing, which can ultimately help to eliminate snoring. Stop snoring tip number 5. Purchase the Sleep Genie, which is a doctor-approved anti-snoring device. Made of nylon and lycra blend material, the Sleep Genie comfortably supports the jaw while helping to keep the wearer's mouth closed. It is nearly impossible to snore with a closed mouth, which is why the Sleep Genie is applauded by snoring sufferers worldwide. If none of these stop snoring remedies work for you, consider alternate options that may take a little longer but are effective nonetheless. If you are overweight, or have been diagnosed with obesity, consider a weight loss program consisting of both diet and exercise. If snoring persists, or you notice a pattern of breathing difficulties or choking sensations through the night, a physician may be needed in order to confirm or deny the presence of sleep apnea. This is a serious disorder that, if left untreated, may lead to heart disease, a stroke or other serious medical condition. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.